Hello, Corey. My name is Viviana Olaya. Welcome to this video. I want to share with you information that is relevant to boost the traffic to your website, attracting more customers and growing your company. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give me some feedback at the end of it. We'll start with the content of your website. So right now I am looking at your front page and I can see that you have here the links to the different back pages. You have the contact us form over here, description of like a bio, a short description of the company and the different services that you provide, and a blog over here about safety. So in general terms, it is a very concise, easy to navigate website. Perhaps you could add a click to call button at the top. And talking about content, right now your website uh, has around your front page has around 291 words, and content is important because Google likes to see content. And the sweet spot for Google to be optimized for Google is to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because through content is that you're able to include more relevant keywords, which is basically what people search for when they want to acquire your services. So that's why it's relevant to have more content. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So these guys, Pool Troopers, this is the landing page for Scottsdale. These guys have 579 words, so a little bit more. And Swim Right, these guys have 392 words in their front page. So a little bit more content, but definitely an opportunity for improvement there. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in Pool Services Scottsdale. And the first section that you usually see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are terrific at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if not done correctly, and some people just turn them off in their browsers. This section over here is the GBP or Google Business Profile. This section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need citations, which is basically the directories in which your company is listed, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and ideally grab one of these top 3 positions here. Now, the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank at the top, your website first needs to be found for the relevant keyword or search that people are performing, and you also need backlinks. So here is where I found the two competitors. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool helps me analyze the backend of a website. And right now I am looking at yours, and I can see that you have one backlink in one external website. A backlink is a link on an external website that is directing or pointing traffic towards your website. If I have a look at Pool Troopers, these guys have 37 backlinks in 10 external websites, and Swim Right, they have 902 backlinks in 163 referring domains. So basically, another opportunity there is to strengthen this backlink profile, and backlinks are important because this is a mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant related to the search that users are performing. And you also want to have powerful backlinks, which is basically those links that are sitting on websites that are related to the services and to your niche, the niche that you serve, because Google has algorithms to identify this, and it's going to give you extra credits and extra points for this. Now, moving on to the keywords, your website, as per this tool, is telling me that it's not being found for any keyword. If I have a look at Pool Troopers, for example, they are being found for 33 organic keywords, and I highlighted in here, and I filter out just by Phoenix, Scottsdale, Arizona, AZ. And in here, I am filtering, I highlighted those relevant keywords. So for example, in this view, I can see the search volume tells me the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position they are appearing in the Google Organic Search. So just for a Scottsdale Pool Service, just that one keyword, the search volume is 500. That is 500 people per month looking for that term. And they are in the second position for the Google Organic Search. And because of that, they are able to drive 80 visits to their website. So that's a little bit over 15% of the traffic. Now, full service Scottsdale AZ has a search volume of 200, and because they're in the sixth position, they were able to drive 13 visits to their website. Brooklyn in Scottsdale, search volume 90, they're in the third position, and they drove 30 visits to their website. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because in the end, what you do is that you add up this volume, and that's the number of times your website is in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to pick up the phone and they're going to call you. And then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land as new customers. So I really hope that you like this video. These are the things that you actually have to do to boost the traffic to your website. Please don't forget to drop me a few lines with your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.